Welcome to Infobook 19 channel. Today we are going to see a very quick and very tasty yummy chicken roast recipe. So already I have posted one chicken roast recipe in my channel. So this is little bit different and it is a masala chicken roast. It is going to be very yummy, very crispy and very tasty. Now let's get into this video on how to make this masala chicken roast in very tasty form. So for this I have taken close to 400 gram of chicken. You can take with skin also, it will be very tasty. When you roast it, the skin portion will become more crispier and it will be very tasty. I have washed the chicken well and I have added turmeric powder and I have mixed and kept it. So now our chicken is ready. Now we'll start making the masala for this chicken. So in a mixer jar you can add one medium size onion. For 400 grams of chicken, all these measurements will go. And I have taken 5 green chili. So green chili you can add as per your taste. 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste and 1 tablespoon of gusgus or poppy seeds you can add. So this all is going to give more flavor to the chicken roast. And salt as per taste and 1 tablespoon of chili powder, 2 tablespoons of coriander powder. So that's all. We have to grind it to a smooth paste. Don't add any water. If it becomes watery, then it will not coat the chicken pieces well. Now what we are going to do is we are going to coat this masala on the chicken pieces. Just mix it well with hand so that all the chicken pieces will get enough masala. Once you mix the chicken well, just marinate it for around 15 to 30 minutes. You don't need to marinate for longer time. You can keep it in refrigerator for 15 minutes. That would be more than enough. Now we are going to start the preparation. So in a heavy bottom pan, you take some cast iron pan or non-stick you can take. Then only the roasting will come nicely. So you can add 2 tablespoons of oil and then followed by you can add the marinated chicken. Now we are going to roast it well. So here we are not going to add any water. From chicken itself the water will start leaving. So after some 15 minutes, if you see, all the water from the chicken has come out. And now we need to roast it till all the water goes and it becomes light golden color at all sides. Now you can increase the flame little bit and start roasting it. Now all the water from the chicken got evaporated. Now we need to keep cooking till the raw smell of masala goes and the chicken gets cooked well. So it doesn't take more than 15-20 minutes. So exactly after some 15 to 20 minutes our chicken came to this level. At this point what you can do is just you can transfer into a plate and keep it. In the same pan you can add 2 tablespoons of oil, 10 to 12 cashew nut and then a bunch of curry leaves. So this cashew nut and curry leaves you have to fry it nicely so that nice aroma will come and the curry leaves have to become more crispier. Till that point you need to fry it. Stage you can even add 2 tablespoons of ghee also. It will be tasting very good. So it is up to you whether you can add ghee or oil. It's your choice. So once it gets fried nicely, we are going to add the fried chicken pieces to it and we are going to roast it again for another 5 minutes. So a lot of flavor is getting developed and smelling so good. Our tasty yummy chicken roast is ready. Do give it a try. It's very tasty and very yummy chicken masala roast. If you like my video, subscribe to my YouTube channel and share with your friends and family. Always be happy, stay positive and spread the positivity to everybody. Thanks for watching.